Good afternoon, children. Welcome back to our online class. I hope that you all are safe at home. Yes. Do you have interest to learn Science 1? Yes. So, shall we start the class today? So, we are going to learn a new lesson, that is acid, bases and salts. Okay. Children, in the previous classes we have learned about chemicals and chemical changes. So I thought that you might have completed all that portions which I have given through the WhatsApp, and also you have clear about that. Okay. Students, now we are going to learn, that is from book, that is 5th lesson. As second lesson in Science 1, that is acids, bases and salts. Okay, this we are going to learn now. Acids, bases and salts. Okay, so also second lesson we are going to learn acids, bases and salts. First we will learn about acids, then next classes about bases, then about salt. Children, today from this lesson we are going to learn about acidic substances, basic substances, then about indicators and salts. Okay, so in this lesson we will learn about acidic substances, basic substances, indicators and about salts. Okay. So, what and all we are going to learn in this lesson? Acidic substances, about acidic substances, basic substances, indicators, salts. From this, today we will learn about acidic substances. Okay, acidic substances. In that classification of acidic substances, then properties of acids, then what are the uses of acids. Okay, about all these things we are going to learn today. Okay, students, substances can be grouped based on different physical properties. For example, taste. Acidic substances are sour, basic substances are bitter and slippery to touch. Can you think of some examples? What about orange, lemon? So it is sour taste, is it? See, soap we have, is it? To touch it is slippery, is it? So it contains base. Okay. Children, why are some substances sour and others bitter to taste? Do you know? Substances such as lemon and orange are sour to taste because of the presence of a chemical called acid. Okay? Soap is bitter because of the presence of a chemical called base. Bases are also slippery. Okay, children? Yes. Now we are going to learn about acidic substances. Acidic substances. Substances containing an acid. Okay, that is called acidic substances. Understand? So substances containing an acid are called acidic substances. How the word form? Do you know? From Latin word that is acer. Okay, its meaning is sour. So acids are of two types, that is mineral and organic acids. What are the two types of acids? Mineral acids and organic acids. Okay, first about mineral acid, that is hydrochloric acid, sulphuric acid, nitric acid. These are all examples of mineral acids. These are used in the laboratory. Okay, these acids are produced from chemical substances existing in nature. Okay, that's why we are calling this as mineral acids. Understand? So what are the examples of mineral acids? Hydrochloric acid. Already you all know how to write HCl, is it? What's the chemical formula for sulphuric acid? H2SO4. Next we are going to learn about organic acid. Okay. From where we are getting this organic acid, do you know, children? Organic acid occur naturally in animal and plant materials. Okay, mineral acids that is produced from chemical substances existing in nature. Okay, this one from animal and plant material. Okay, this is the difference between mineral acid and organic acid. Few examples we can see. Okay, say sources of organic acid, that is grapes, vinegar, sting of bees, ants, apples, lemon, oranges, milk, spinach. Okay, what is the organic acid present in that is grapes? Do you know? Tartaric acid. What's the acid present in grapes? Tartaric acid. Vinegar, acetic acid. Vinegar, acetic acid. Then sting of ants, bees, formic acid. Apple, which acid is present, do you know? Malic acid. Which acid is present in lemons, oranges? Citric acid. That's why we are calling that fruits as citric fruits. Okay. Then milk, lactic acid. Spinach, oxalic acid. Okay. Milk, lactic acid. Which acid is present in milk? Lactic acid. This all acids that is present in this things you all should know. Okay, so learn this. So grapes means tartaric acid, vinegar acetic acid, apple malic acid, milk lactic acid, spinach oxalic acid. Acids can be strong or weak. A strong acid is highly corrosive and can cause severe burns. All strong acids are mineral acids. Okay, strong acids are mineral acids. These acids are highly reactive towards metals. For that reason, we cannot store these things in metal containers. Okay, so we can store this in glass or ceramic containers. Okay, so acids we can store in glass or ceramic containers. The mineral acids also act against clothes and wood. Hydrochloric acid, sulphuric acid and nitric acids are examples of strong acids. So what are the examples of strong acids? Hydrochloric acid, sulphuric acid, nitric acids. These all are the examples of strong acids. Okay. So mineral acids also act against clothes and wood. Okay, don't forget. Only we can store this in glass or ceramic containers because they will react with the, when we are store in the metal containers, they will react with that metals. That's why we are storing in this glass or ceramic containers. Okay, then weak acids. Weak acids on the other hand are not as destructive or as strong acids. Okay, so weak acids are mostly organic acids. Most of the organic acids are a part of our diet. Acetic acid, which is used to make vinegar, is an example of weak acids. Vinegar is 5 to 8% solution of acetic acid is water. The fizzy drinks and soda water contain carbonic acid, which gives them a pleasant taste. Carbonic acid is not an organic acid, it is a mineral acid and a weak acid. Carbonic acid is not an organic acid, it is a weak acid and mineral acid. Okay. Next we are going to learn about properties of acids. Okay, properties, that is characteristics. Okay, see, first one, acids are sour to taste and are corrosive in nature. What's the meaning of corrosive? Do you know? Tending to destroy slowly by chemical action. Okay, so sour taste, what's the first property? Sour taste and corrosive in nature. That's the first property. Okay. Along with sour taste, acids also have the ability to corrode metals such as iron and aluminium. For this reason, acids are generally stored in glassware. Anyway, we should handle the acids with care. Okay, children? Why means this mineral acids such as nitric, sulphuric acids can burn human tissues upon contact and damage clothes, paper, etc. Okay, that's what we should handle that acids with care. Okay, then second one, acids are soluble in water. Okay, soluble, dissolve in water. Okay, the first one is sour taste and also corrosive in nature. That's the first property. Second property is soluble in water. Acids are soluble in water. Most acids dissolve in water either at room temperature or on heating to form a clear solution. Example, vinegar is a 3 to 5% solution of acetic acid in water. Okay, it has vinegar, it has 3 to 5% solution of acetic acid in water. Depending on the amount of water, acids can be either dilute or concentrated. Okay, so if the amount of water is more in an acid, we can say it is dilute. If the amount of water is less, we can say it is concentrated. For example, lemon juice. While you are preparing first juice from lemon, we will take that juice, can say it is concentrated. The same few drops of juice that is from lemon, if you add some water, okay, we'll say it is diluted. Okay, this is the difference between concentrated and dilute. Okay, so two properties we have learned, is it? What are the properties we have completed? That the first one is acids are sour to taste and are corrosive in nature. Second one is acids are soluble in water. Okay, children, next we are going to learn about uses of acids. Uses of acids. First we are going to learn about the acid, that is hydrochloric acid. How will you write hydrochloric acid? HCl. What's the chemical formula for hydrochloric acid? HCl. So first point about this is what is the uses? Use, that is dilute hydrochloric acid is used in various industries. Okay, that use heating applications. It is applied to remove deposits from the inside of the boilers. Okay, the deposits which are present in the boilers, that is inside the boilers, we are using to remove that deposits. Okay, so it is applied to remove deposits from the inside of the boilers. Second use is used for cleaning sinks and sanitary ware. Okay, cleaning sink and sanitary ware. Okay, so these are the two uses, that is about hydrochloric acid. Okay, so dilute hydrochloric acid is used in various industries that used heating applications. Okay, it is applied to remove deposits from the inside of the boilers. Hydrochloric acid is also used for cleaning sinks and sanitary ware. Okay, second acid is about sulphuric acid. What's the chemical formula for sulphuric acid? H2SO4. Sulphuric acid is such an important industrial chemical, that is, we will call that the sulphuric acid as king of chemicals. So one word they can ask, which acid we will call as king of chemicals? Sulphuric acid. Okay. Some of its major uses are sulphuric acid is used in car batteries. Car batteries. Okay. Also to manufacture of paints, drugs, dyes, and to produce fertilizers, we are using this sulphuric acid to manufacture paint, drugs, dyes. Also to produce fertilizers, we are using the sulphuric acid. Then about nitric acid. What's the chemical formula for nitric acid? HNO3. HNO3. It is used by goldsmiths for cleaning gold and silver ornaments. It is also used for the production of fertilizers such as ammonium nitrate. Okay. Next about acetic acid. Acetic acid. What's the what's the chemical formula for acetic acid? CH3COOH, is it? So first use, that is the main, acetic acid is the main ingredient of vinegar. Vinegar is used to enhance the flavor of food and as a preservative in pickles. It is also used as a cleansing agent in products meant for cleaning windows, floors, utensils, etc. Okay, it is also helps to remove stains on woodwork such as furniture and carpets. Okay, most microorganisms cannot live in an acidic environment. An acidic environment either slows down their activities or can also kill them. This is why you will find vinegar in many commonly packaged food items such as pickle sauce, ketchups. Okay, most microorganisms cannot live in an acidic environment. An acidic environment either slows down their activities or can also kill them. This is why you will find vinegar in many commonly packaged food items such as pickles, sauce, ketchups. Okay, so acetic acid, it is the main ingredient of vinegar. Okay, see, next we should know about green corner. See children, acid rain is a major effect of air pollution. So, pollutants such as this oxides of nitrogen, sulphur present in air react with atmospheric water and oxygen to form sulphuric acid and nitric acid. Okay, so these acids come down along with the actual rain. Okay, the acid rains cause great damage to the plant and animal life as well as to buildings and monuments. Okay, so with pollutants such as sulfur dioxide, that is oxides of sulfur and oxygen, present in air that will react with atmospheric water and oxygen, and we are getting the product sulfuric acid and nitric acid. Okay, so these will mingle with the rainwater or mix with the rainwater, and this acid rain, it causes great damage to the plant and animal life. Okay, so this is about acid rain. Have you all understand? So today we have learnt about acids. Is it? Acids. So first we have learnt about acidic substances, then mineral acid, organic acid are the two classifications. About that we have learnt. Then strong and weak acids, then two properties of acids we have completed. So sour taste and corrosive in nature. So that is the first property. Acids are soluble in water. That's the second property. Then uses of acids, that is hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, acetic acid, its uses we have learned. Okay, so today we can end this session. Okay, so learn all those things. Thank you children, thank you one and all.